In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your keyless remote case for your Ford Ranger. All right, so here's our old case. Obviously, it's been used and abused, maybe dropped in a puddle or two. So let's open it up. So just take the tape off. Using a flathead screwdriver. Should just pop open. Like that. And now we're going to transfer the chip and the battery over to our new case. This would be a good time to change the battery if you feel like you need to, if yours isn't working at all. It takes a CR2032 Sony battery, 3 volts lithium cell. Okay, so just make sure that your plus sign on the battery itself is facing down on the case. All right, so you're gonna need like a pick of some sort. Be careful not to damage anything. Just get underneath it and pull it out. Just work it around. Pull that out and press it in. Now we can close it down and press it together. All right, so let's try our lock button, and now our unlock button, and now our horn. All right, so I'm going to use my pick to open that up since it's kind of a thick place to put the ring. And there we go. Have fun unlocking and locking your doors now.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.